Hi, you're watching JT the AI Guy. Today I'm waiting for a package to come. I ordered this thing on the internet called Grow a Tractor. Figure we check it out. Oh, would you look at that? We got a package at the front door. See? Grow a Tractor. Which one we got here? Ooh, a nice little 60. All right, well, let's go get some water and see if we can get this thing to grow. It says I have an open area, and all you gotta do, apparently, is just pour some water on it. So we're gonna try that. All right, now stand back and watch it grow.
One eternity later.
Oh my gosh, it actually worked! I guess I even ordered it with a loader too. Let's take a look at it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just bought my first tractor. It's a John Deere 60. I think it's a, I gotta look back at it. I think it's a 55, which is close, no, 56. It's a 56 because they stopped making them 57, I think. John Deere 60 came with 2 loaders and this little plow over here, but we'll go take a look at that later. This sucker is a beauty. Oh, here's the cold start for you real quick for those of you who are interested. There's the proof. It's cold. We gotta start it up. It's 7 degrees today, so she fired up pretty good for it being that cold. But John Deere 60, bought it from a very nice gentleman who does tractor pulling and trucking and all that. He was making the 2 cylinders. He used to do 2-cylinder pulling, so he used to have a John Deere Model A. He got it cranked up to like 100 horsepower, I think, or something like that, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, this is the John Deere 60. So you might be wondering, why did I go with the John Deere 60? Well, there's a couple reasons. First and foremost, I've always wanted a John Deere 2-cylinder tractor, okay? I think they're awesome. I've always loved them ever since I was a kid. They have a very distinct sound, and you can't beat that sound. You know, Detroit, Cummins, stuff like that, they all sound cool when they're really highly revved up, but only really 2 cylinders. In my personal opinion, 2 cylinders are the only engine that really sounds good at its lowest, like, chug. So, I don't know. I think that's why I went with it. But also, it has about 35.6 horsepower at the drawbar and about like 40.6 at the pulley. And I don't remember what the PTO, but it has enough horsepower for what I need it to do. It's a 4-bottom tractor. I mean, she's got power. And this is the tractor, so the letter series, or this tractor's, the 60, came after the letter series, which is what my buddy Elijah has, and this is essentially the newer equivalent of an A. It's just bigger, and yeah. And this sucker's got some massive Goodyears on it. I mean, these are perfect for what I need. Like I said, this thing's going to be doing a lot of field work on my field. I'll also show you. So, I was looking at a Oliver 1555, I think is what it was. That's a completely different tractor. Way more powerful, way bigger. But I got this for less money, and it came with this plow, which just needs a little work. It just needs the rope to trip it, and I'm trying to remember what else all needs done on it. But just needs the rope to trip it, and like one other thing, and this thing's ready to roll. Oh, tire needs to get tightened on there too. And then that can plow, which is awesome because I have a hard pan at the bottom of my field that I've been trying to break up, and I was thinking about planting radishes there, but doing some mechanical tillage might be just a better option just to break it up. So, yeah. It also, as you saw, came with a loader, but it came with a second loader all the way over there. You can kind of see it on the trailer. I'm not going to go all the way over there right now. I'll show it to you later. But oh, and it came with a 3-point too. So it literally came with all this stuff. It's like, this is just the better option. So, yeah, we're going to fire her up, and we're going to take her out. It's like up from the captain's chair. Got her brakes off. Clutch is out. We're in neutral. I just had her started a second ago, so we should. Like a dream. Oh, no, she didn't like that. There she goes. What her deal was, she didn't like that for a second, but yeah. I want you wondering how low she can go. Oh wait, that's clutch, wrong thing. That's about as low as I can get her to go. Yeah. I'm gonna try this thing around and let you guys just hear it. I gave you guys a little bit of a tour how this thing works, okay? So, got our clutch, got our throttle. Man, she does not like to go from low to high very fast. That's your starter, brakes on either side. That turns on, or that's your electrical choke. Here's your gear. So, let's put her into first. Oh. I don't know if I mentioned this thing has power steering, so that's pretty nice. So she's in first, just slowly. There we go. And see now, you're on a tractor. And of course we got a throttle right here. There we go. Here. I guess that was for the mail. That was for the county department right there. Yeah, there you go. Figure let's drive her down the driveway one last time before we put her up for today. Thank you guys for watching today's videos. I hope you enjoyed the new tractor. I know myself, I was out here driving it for almost an hour and a half, just driving it around. So, hope you guys enjoyed. God bless you. We'll see you in the next video.